Back to my channel, guys. I ordered some hair from Unice Hair Company. This is my second time ordering from them. I ordered it on the 15th of February and I received it today, the 22nd. I believe it probably took so long because it was the Chinese holiday, their New Year, last Friday, I believe. So I believe that is why it took so long. I'm not sure, but this is my second time ordering from them. I will leave a link with a video of the first hair that I ordered from them, and that was really nice. The quality was really good. It's a different type of hair, but the quality was good, so, and it was affordable, so I decided that I was gonna try them again. The package literally came in the mail today. They ship with USPS. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing with you guys, so let's see how this order went. Also, they email you right away after you order and give you your order number. You can check your order on their website. I don't really get a tracking number until a couple days, like maybe the day before the order came, but I just wanted to know that the order was being handled, and I checked on their website. So that's that as it relates to the ordering and the shipping. Let's bust it open. So this is what the box looks like. Unice. On the back of the box, they have hair care and remark tips. So in the box, I guess that's the bill. Yes. Ooh, I got a free product. So free product is a eyelash. These are some very long eyelash. That's okay. I'm gonna play with these. I need to practice to put eyelashes on, so thanks Unice, I can definitely practice with these. It is supposed to be 3 bundles and a closure, and I ordered the Brazilian natural wave in 3 bundles, 20 inches, and the closure 18 inches. The bundles are all 20 inches. I'm just gonna go ahead and open one of the bundle. Comes in a bag, and then it also comes in a mesh. Yes. And of course they're labeled with their thingy and their labeling, and then it has a mesh over it. So let's get this mesh off. It does smell a little off, but I believe that I'm gonna be dyeing these black against leaving them with a natural color. I'm not sure. I think I want to dye them black. The texture. What I ordered was the natural wave in the Indian hair. Texture is soft. It feels soft. This is what the curls look like. It's a natural wave, so it has a more natural pattern. A little bit of shedding, just a little. What the curl pattern looks like. I'm gonna be making a wig, of course. If you know me, you know I'm all for the wigs. Let me show you what the closure looks like. It's a regular lace closure. I do like the natural color. The natural color is okay. I like the natural look. I can't decide if I'm gonna dye it black before. That's it for the Unice Indian hair, and I will leave the link in the description below. After I make the wig, I will do a review and show you what it looks like after I have completed the wig, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards, because I'm gonna put my stamp on this one, honey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.